everyone. In order to embed your FlipGrid video onto a Google site, all you're going to need is the URL of your video. So when you're on FlipGrid and you're able to watch your own and all of your classmates' videos, all you have to do is click on your own. Hello, this is a sample. And once you are on your own video, lovely, you are going to copy the URL up on top, so highlight it and copy it. And then all you have to do is go into your Google site and you will double click the yellow embed, paste that link, and click insert. Hello, this is a sample. And there is your video. And you can resize it so that everybody has room to put their own. Hello, this is a sample. And hope that helps.